In this video of our spoken English class, we are going to make sentences by using some specific words. And to make this video, I have got Shubho, Shubhankar, Shayan, Tanisha, Adrika and Pratyush. Are you ready?
Yes.
Okay, then let's start. And I am going to start off. And today our first word is dangerous. Pratyush, are you ready?
Yes, I am ready.
Now please make a sentence.
Yes.
Or you can make many sentences.
Okay. Yesterday I was reading newspaper. That time I saw a dangerous plane crash of Ahmedabad, and I noticed that the headline of the paper where they describe that it is one of the most dangerous plane crash of all time. Then I asked my father about that plane crash, and he told me that he also noticed that, and from this plane crash lots of people, around 242 people, lost their lives.
Okay, thank you Pratyush.
Yes, thank you.
Now I have got Adrika. Okay, Adrika, tell me.
One day in our playground, there is a snake come out.
A snake came out. Okay.
A snake came out in jungle.
From jungle.
From jungle, and everyone said
Say
this is dangerous for us.
this is dangerous to us. For us. We don't say for us. Okay, now I have got Tanisha. Tanisha, are you ready?
Yes.
Okay.
Cattle. Snake is a very dangerous creature.
জোরে বলতে হবে একটু. You have to speak up.
Snake is a very dangerous creature because everyone get afraid of it.
Everyone gets afraid of it. Okay. Now I have got Shayan. Shayan, are you ready, Shayan?
Yes, I am ready.
Okay.
We should protect ourselves from dangerous animals.
Okay. Very good. Now Shubhankar. Shubhankar, are you ready?
Yes, I am ready.
Tell me. Okay. Shubha.
Diabetes is a dangerous disease. My father has diabetes, so he does not eat sugar and sweet.
Okay. Very good answer, Shubha. Thank you, Shubha.
You are welcome.
Okay. Our next word is brave. So first of all, tell me, Shubha, what is the Bengali meaning of brave?
The Bengali meaning of brave is sahoshi.
Sahoshi. Okay. Now make sentence.
I have a friend. The friend is very brave and strong. One day he defeated a strong man in wrestling.
In wrestling. Very good answer. Okay. Now I have got Shayan. Shayan, do you know the meaning of brave?
Yes,
Okay.
we should become brave when we face danger.
Danger. Why are you telling us short sentences? You have to make a story like Shubho. Okay. Now I have got Tanisha. Tanisha, please come to the camera.
One day we are playing in school and a dog came out, and when we chased the dog did not go there.
Did not, although you can say did not leave the place.
Did not leave the place. And anyone told the
We
dog-
told, anyone, that is not a word like anyone. We told the dog
we
is
told
very
the dog
brave.
is very brave.
In our class there is a brave girl. And she is also intelligent. Our teachers love her very much.
Very good answer, Adrika. Now, Pratyush.
Napoleon is one of the greatest emperors of all time. During his last battle, he fought bravely. So he was honored by the title.
He was conferred.
He was conferred
with the title?
with the title of a brave person.
Next word is Scoff. Pratyush, tell me.
Yesterday,
Oh, what is the first of all? Tell me what is the Bengali meaning of Scoff?
okay, the Bengali meaning of scoff is উপহাস করা.
Uphash kora means bengo kora.
ব্যঙ্গ করা বা
Okay.
ঠাট্টা করা.
Hmm.
Yesterday, while taking lunch, I sat in a bench, and some boys
On a bench.
on a bench, and some boys came towards me and started scoffing at me. At first I got patience, but after some time I lost my patience and started beating them.
Okay, that's all. Okay, now I have got Adrika. Adrika, are you ready to make sentence?
Yes.
Now, please tell me.
In our class, there is a Scoff boy.
There is a boy.
There is a boy. When we are eat lunch,
When we take lunch,
he is come in our bench and he scoff our.
he coughs at us. Okay. Okay, now I have got Tanisha. Tanisha, please make sentences.
One day we are playing in our neighborhood and a girl scoffing at me again and again. And when I complained her mother that
Complain to her mother.
complained to her mother that time, her mother beating his
Her mother beat her.
beat her.
What is the past form of beat? Beat?
Beat.
Oh, beat. Bet. Now I have got Shayon. Shayon.
Everyone scoffed at the boy because he failed on his examination.
He failed in examination. That's all.
Yes.
Now I have got Shubho. Shubho.
One day a boy fell down on ground.
Hmm.
That time we scoffed at him.
Okay, that is not right, huh? Okay, Shubho, our next word is weak. W-E-A-K, weak. Do you know the Bengali meaning of weak?
The Bengali meaning of weak is durval.
Durval, very good. Now try to make sentence.
I have a friend. The friend is very weak. Everyone beat him.
Everyone beats him.
Beats him.
Everyone is third person singular number, huh? Everyone beats him.
One day he get power, superpower.
He gets, yeah, he got.
He got superpower. Then he defeated his all enemies.
All enemies. Very good answer. Now Tanisha.
Last week I was ill and I became so weak.
I became very weak.
I became very weak. So that's why I did not go to see the IPL match.
Okay. Now Adrika.
In our class, there is a weak girl, but she is very intelligent.
Okay, very good answer. Now Pratyush.
Yesterday I met a boy who is very weak in his study. So he was struggling for his homework. Then I felt sorry for him and helped him to do his homework.
Okay, very good answer. Our next word is search.
Yes. Now I am making a sentence.
Okay, first of all tell me what is the Bengali meaning of search?
The Bengali meaning of search is khoja.
Khoja. Okay.
There are lots of planets in our universe, and now the scientists of different agencies are trying to find out life in other planets.
Why did you use search? You did not use search.
I didn't use search.
No. You can say like instead of find, you can say.
Oh, yeah, sorry, I forgot. Find searching life in other planets.
In new planets.
In new planets.
On new planets.
On new
not
planets.
in. Okay. Now Adrika.
One day I play in ground.
I was playing. Khelchilam. I was playing.
I was playing. That time I
saw.
I saw a beautiful stone. So that time I searched the stone. But there is a girl. She came this stone.
Came to take the stone. এটা বলতে চাইছো নাকি? Okay. Now Tanisha.
One day I put money in my bag and when I searching the money that time
When I was searching the money.
When I
Past
was-
continuous tense. একটু বাংলায় ভাবো, একটু মাথাটা লাগাও। মাথা দিয়েছে ভগবান।
when I was searching the money that time I could not find that.
Okay, very good. Now Shayon.
For exam, I searched my notebook everywhere.
During examination.
During examination, and that time, at first I did not find my notebook. But at last I find the notebook.
I found the notebook.
Found the
You
notebook.
forgot tense also. Okay, now I have got Shubho. Shubho, are you ready?
Yes.
Okay.
One day I did not find my English textbook. Then I searched
for long time
for on my whole room.
in my whole room.
In my whole room. Then I found this book in a table.
On a
On a
table.
table, on a-
Okay. Okay, that's all for today. But what I have noticed, you have some problems to make sentences and try to improve your spoken English skill. Okay, and also try to improve your tense. How to use tense? You don't know how to use tense.